everyone, welcome back to Garden Fever. Today I wanted to go over propagating the spider plant. I did a video on the spider plant a couple of weeks ago, and I had some of my subscribers and viewers request this, so I thought I'd do a video on propagating. I kind of went over a little bit in that video, but I didn't go into great detail. So I thought I'd do another video kind of showing a little bit more step-by-step and more examples of the actual propagation of the spider plant. It's a pretty easy plant. It's not hard to do. So I'm going to just show you kind of my methods and like talk about why I do it that way, and some other methods that are out there that I don't do but you can. Anyway, we'll get right to it. The spider plant's pretty easy to propagate. They grow these long stems and have these offshoots that that'll root into separate plants. Okay, it's just like this, and you can do it in multiple ways. You can set it in a container right next to the mother plant, and then keep it well watered and right there until it roots, and then sever the stem, kind of like severing the umbilical cord from the mother plant. You can do it that way, or you can just cut it straight up, which is what I did. Let's go to that example. Alright, on this update I wanted to show you this. I was really excited about this because if you go back and you watch the previous video of when I transplanted this spider plant, I was actually really quite rough. I wasn't gentle, and I did that on purpose because I wanted to demonstrate to everybody how tough the spider plant actually can be. And if you'll notice, I just kind of dug out and tore out, split apart the root ball, and transplanted that into another pot. And I left the main root ball in this pot and watered it. And And the reason why I did that, as you can see, is it's going to rebound. It's going to start shooting out new parts of the plant, and it's going to give me a total rebound. So this plant barely was affected. Even though I had taken it all the way down the root, I was very rough with it. It's going to spring right back. I'm very excited about that. Also today I have a special guest that I'd like to introduce. It's Last Garden Standing, Lucinda Rodriguez. So I'm going to have a guest because she wants to take some of my spider plants home with her. So here at the end of this, after I show you how well the plants are doing and all the updates on the roots, we're going to transplant some of those spiderettes that we took from this, and we're going to give her some. We'll be right back. So let me introduce you to my friend. This is Lucinda Rodriguez from Last Garden Standing.
Hello.
We decided to collaborate on some videos and share some knowledge between each other. So, and she wanted some of my spider plants, so I thought, well, perfect time is right now because I'm doing a video on it. So
Okay, so I'm going to get some of these plants.
yeah, so I'm excited. We're going to show you how, now that we've got them rooted. Let me give you an up close shot so you can see what I'm talking about. We've had them in water for about 3 weeks now, and as you can see, the roots are well enough now that we can stick it into soil, and we're going to transplant it into these smaller containers. Let me show you that Lucinda has brought over. We filled them full of soil. Make sure you guys can see. And what we're going to do is just make sure it's wet, kinda, and we're gonna stick our finger in it and create a hole, and then by doing that we just tuck that root ball right in there, kind of smash it down, maybe put some more soil on top and give it another flush of water, and it's good to go.
Isn't that cute? That's a cute plant.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
So we'll try. Alright, and that's pretty much how you propagate a spider plant.
Good job.
As you can see, they're pretty easy. They're easy to take care of. They're easy to propagate. They're good air filters. They're natural air filters. So I encourage everybody to grow them. And just like that, you can have future spider plants just like that. Anyway, this is Corey Lefevre with Garden Fever. Want to thank Lucinda Rodriguez with Last Garden Standing. Thanks for coming.
Oh, you're welcome. It's lovely to be here.
Yeah, thanks for.
And I learned something.
Thanks for taking some of my plants. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Anyway, like, share, subscribe. Go on over to her channel. Check it out. She's got a lot of cool information over on her channel as well. Until next time, we'll see you next video.
Okay, bye-bye.